हेलो दोस्तों। तो चलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो की तरफ। जो टॉपिक आज कवर हुआ उसका नाम है ईवी सर्विसेज और ये ईवी सेक्शन का एक पार्ट है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर सम की फीचर्स ऑफ इंटरप्राइजेज सर्विसेज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्स्ट। तो इसमें की फीचर्स, प्रोएक्टिव मॉनिटरिंग एंड गारंटेड एसएलए। बी, which of the following service not offered by BSNL in enterprises voice oblique mobility। तो VoIP ओवर STL ये सर्विस अभी हम नहीं देते। What are the conditions prescribed for the provision of Centrex facility। तो इसमें no limit on the numbers of members in the Centrex group। Which service is ideal for business promoting free customer calls। तो टोल फ्री सर्विसेज। What is ISDN primarily used for? Voice data and image transmission। C answer। What are the advantages of MPLS VPN over other technologies according to BSNL। तो reduce तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हाई लेटेंसी एंड लो अवेलेबिलिटी, लिमिटेड स्केलेबिलिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ओवर सर्विस पैरामीटर। सी आंसर सही हो जाएगा। तो 7 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ मैनेज नेटवर्क सर्विस। तो रिड्यूस बिजनेस रिस्क एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज। Which service provides reservation less conferencing aim at enterprises customer। Manage global auto conferencing। B, what are the key features of BSNL fleet tracking service। तो fleet track automatic real time system। Which service offer hosting of company infrastructure without losing administrative control। तो web co-location। C, what does EPBX stand for the context of BSNL Enterprises Voice Mobility Service। तो external private automated branch exchange। In Centrex, what are the upper limit on the number of member in groups। No limits। What are the purpose of toll-free service। To provide free calls for businesses। A, which technology is considered the logical extension of the digitalization telecommunication network। तो ISDN। What are the key services offered by ISDN। तो voice and data only। Voice and data only। C, what is the main advantage of MPLS VPN according to the text। तो better scalability and control। Mainly reduce complexity and cost, limited scalability, higher latency, reduce complexity and cost। ये आंसर भी सही होना चाहिए। What does CapEx stand for the context of managed network service। तो capital expenditure। What is the primary goal of managed SaaS। To provide cloud-based software solution। B, which service allows businesses to publish their own information resources to the internet। तो मैनेज होस्टिंग सर्विस, ए आंसर। व्हाट द मेन एडवांटेज BSNL फ्लीट ट्रैकिंग सर्विस, तो ऑटोमेटेड रियल टाइम सिस्टम। विच टाइप ब्रॉडबैंड सर्विस यूटिलाइज फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी, तो इसका तो सबको पता ही होगा, FTTH ब्रॉडबैंड। व्हाट इज द की फीचर ऑफ DSL ब्रॉडबैंड, यूजेज ट्रेडिशनल कॉपर टेलीफोन लाइंस, ए आंसर। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज VPN ओवर FTTH, to offer secure VPN connection, B. What are the main advantages of managed IT service, shift day-to-day IT responsibilities, C आंसर सही हो जाएगा। Which service is not included in managed enterprise service, तो पुश, बल्क पुश SMS। What is the primary purpose of web co-location, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। To house a company infrastructure। What is the typical application of web co-location, e-commerce। What is the main advantage of managed hosting services, flexibility and control over server configuration, C answer। Which service is suitable for users who need voice communication from any part of globe, तो इसमें GSPS सैटेलाइट फोन। व्हाट डज GSPS स्टैंड, तो ये तो लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था हमने, ग्लोबल सैटेलाइट फोन सर्विस, ए आंसर। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी एडवांटेज ऑफ वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट, एक्सेसिबिलिटी टू हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट, सी आंसर सही हो जाएगा। Which technology use traditional telephone line for data transmission, तो DSL broadband। What is the primary purpose managed network service, reduce business risk and complexity, B आंसर सही हो जाएगा। Which service is ideal for business requiring secure and scalable email solution, तो इसमें मैनेज SaaS। What does VPN stand for, virtual private network, ये आंसर सही हो जाएगा। Which service offer real time tracking of vehicles, फ्लीट ट्रैकिंग बोलते हैं इसे, सी आंसर। व्हाट द मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ MPLS VPN ओवर ट्रेडिशनल VPN सॉल्यूशन, तो बेटर स्केलेबिलिटी एंड कंट्रोल। व्हाट द मेन बेनिफिट ऑफ मैनेज ग्लोबल ऑडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, तो रिड्यूस रिजर्वेशन लेस कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, बी। Which service offering automated real-time tracking of vehicle, तो fleet tracking। Which service is ideal for business requiring hosting solution with administrative control, manage hosting service। What does EPBX stand for, external private automated exchange, branch exchange। What is the primary administrative toll-free services, free calls to customer, B answer। Which service is suitable for business requiring voice data and image transmission, तो ISDN। What is the primary purpose of Centrex, to provide virtual PBX functionality to provide virtual PBX functionality। ये आंसर सही हो जाएगा। What is the main advantage of managed SaaS? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका लोअर कॉस्ट एंड सिंप्लीफाइड मैनेजमेंट। सी आंसर। What is the primary goal of managed IT services? Shift day-to-day IT responsibilities. Which service allows business to publish their own information resources to the internet? Web hosting. (48) What is the main advantage of BSNL fleet tracking service? Automatic real-time system. Which type of broadband service utilize fiber optics technology? Fiber broadband, FTTH. Which is the key feature of DSL broadband? Uses traditional copper telephone line. What is the primary purpose of VPN over FTTH? To offer secure VPN connection. What is the main advantage of managed IT services? Shifts day-to-day IT responsibilities. Which service is not included in managed enterprise services? तो 53 का डी आंसर, बल्क पुश SMS. What is the primary purpose of web co-location? To house a company infrastructure. What is the typical application of web co-location? E-commerce. What is the main advantage of managed hosting service? Flexibility and control over server configuration. C. Which service is suitable for users who need voice communication from any part of the globe? तो GSPS satellite phone, global satellite phone service. A. What is the primary purpose of Wi-Fi hotspot? Accessibility to high-speed internet. Which technology used traditional telephones line for data transmission? तो DSL ब्रॉडबैंड। तो दोस्तों कैसी लगी आपको ये वीडियो? अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो और क्वेश्चन अच्छे हैं तो आप प्लीज लाइक और कमेंट्स करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इसका PDF आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।